Mekanik, tolong mekanik coba. Nah. Lagi mekanik. Lalu ininya cepat. Gas. Aduh. Netral dulu. Gas.
podium. Nah ini mungkin pelajaran dari kemarin ini dan kemudian juga berkat tes resmi diinginkan untuk bersaing di podium teratas.
Itu dia. Kenapa tadi saya sempat bilang Dovicius ini nggak salah-salahan kan? Karena kemarin ya mukanya udah males banget gitu dan udah nggak tahu mau ngomong apalah gitu ya. Betul. Jadi makanya penasaran jadi isu utama juga. Ada masalah elektronik juga dengan Ducati minggu lalu gitu ya sebetulnya ya. Jadi
kalaupun pamannya itu terjadi ya Petrucci juga dong. Karena kan Petrucci tahun depan fix bergabung dengan KTM.
Karena sekarang nih sebenarnya tahun ini.
Ya kita doakan
jadi,
aja sih.
Iya kan? Karena pembuktian juga buat Dovizioso gitu bahwa luar biasa. Quartararo juga seperti tadi pilih hard soft juga
ya. Maverick Viñales sadar bahwa suhunya pun ternyata kan tidak lebih tinggi dari practice 4, menggunakan medium untuk time attack dan catatan waktunya selama hampir beberapa 17. Kita akan lihat apakah strategi kabur dari Viñales akan berhasil.
Ini starting grid-nya Maverick Viñales pole position.
Hard medium bannya.
Oh iya, benar-benar hard medium ya.
Bannya hard soft.
Fabio Quartararo, Pol Espargaro sebenarnya salah satu rider yang paling berhasil tuh Dovizioso. Dia tuh bisa sepanjang dan ini salah satu kelebihan yang tidak dimiliki sama rider lain sebetulnya.
Betul.
Dia hampir nggak pernah bilang, tapi dia tuh memang jago banget ya, late breaking juga jago banget, plus juga manajemen tire juga bagus karena biasanya Viñales ini di lap-lap awal dia masih belum keluar dari kebiasaan buruknya dia, yaitu
di akhir-akhir lap baru bisa bagus.
Betul, kita lihat aja siapa yang start hari ini paling bagus dan kita akan langsung saja bergabung dengan Misana Wallace.
Welcome back to Valencia. I'm Nick Harris sitting alongside me, Matt Burt, down in pit lane, Dylan Gray. It's the final showdown.
And Beckett, Quattraro wincing a bit. The tarmac run off quite a few times there. At the sharp end of this one then as they now head around. Push into the air, he's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't give a Fabio Quattraro a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has won the back round. And Beckett, the tarmac run off quite a few times there. At the sharp end of this one then as they now head around. Push into the air, he's rolled through. Brilliant start from Marquez from pole. Is that Dovizioso? I think it is! There's unbelievable fire from the Ducati. The high ride, down he went. All the factory Ducatis clattered in
Lafferty and Tony Elias. And what about this last row, Matt?
Brock Parks. And yes, your eyes are not deceiving you. It's Valentino Rossi in 26. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled
Discussed,
through.
Argued about, now disappears. And here is poor old Kalo having to stop.
And Beckett, Quattraro wincing a bit. The air he's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't give a Fabio Quattraro a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has won the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli clattered into Quattraro's Yamaha is on the stretcher. Well, like Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around. Maggots and Beckett's. The high ride, down he went, all the factory Ducatis clattered in, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out, they're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to push into the air, he's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times. They're trying to get that bike. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has won the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli clattered in. Well, like Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around. Maggots and Beckett. They're trying to get that bike. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has won the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli clattered into Quattraro's.
7 points, Valentino Rossi wins Jorge Lorenzo in the World Championship. Tension builds inside the factory Yamaha garage. Can Jorge Lorenzo become only the third rider in MotoGP history to overturn a points deficit coming in?
Maggots and Beckett, Quattraro wincing a bit. The tarmac run off quite a few times there. At the sharp end of this one then as they now head around. Push into the air, he's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't give a Fabio Quattraro a shocker for Andrea. Marquez from pole. Is that Dovizioso as well? There's unbelievable fire from the Ducati. The high ride, down he went. All the factory Ducatis clattered in, believe
Paul
it.
Espargaro and Andrea Dovizioso, fourth row. Danilo Petrucci, Maverick Vinales, double winner here. Michele Pirro, also a winner here in Moto 2.
Row 5, Bradle, Barbara and Loris Baz. Row 6, Nicky Hayden on his farewell appearance in MotoGP, ahead of Yoni Hernandez and Alvaro Bautista.
Scott Redding, Jack Miller won the Moto 3 race here last year.
All the factory Ducatis clattered in, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to push into the air.
Amp West, Eugene Lafferty and Tony Elias. And what about this last row, Matt?
Brock Parks. And yes, your eyes are not deceiving you. It's Valentino Rossi in 26th place. Although we saw Rossi getting instructions from the officials that Cal Crutchlow will be starting next to him. To find his way back through the field. He's already up the inside of a few riders. Rossi now up the inside of Loris Baz at turn number 2. Lorenzo, though, leads the way. Rossi sinding his way through the field.
Wow, he's coming through there like a knife through butter at the moment. Pedrosa up the inside of Marc Marquez and Danny Pedrosa. Valentino Rossi, what a ride from the back of the grid into 4th place. Paul Espargaro, Bradley Smith in 6th place. Andrea Dovizioso, Alicia Espargaro. Great ride by Cal Crutchlow from the back row.
Danilo Petrucci completed that top 10. Vinales, Pirro, Hernandez, Bautista and Scott Redding on his final 100 appearance. They were your point scoring finishes. Hector Barbara in 16th place, but he did secure the Open Class Championship by 5 points from Loris Baz. Baz, the Frenchman, ends his first season in MotoGP down in 19th place.
Yeah, Nicky Hayden bows out of an amazing Grand Prix career in 17th place.
Alex, what an amazing, inspiring ride. Please tell us about your race.
Emang dari mula, Ge, gue udah itu tampaknya emang udah mengakui kekalahan. Emang dari pertama, Ge, itu gue kecolong startnya. Begitu.
Thank you.
Oh, iya.
It's a sanction that's going to affect the championship deciding race next time out in Valencia. Is there any part in the incident today that you regret?
Tadi di lap terakhir saya merasa kejanggalan melihat ban saya sudah kehabisan. Dan pada saat itu saya melihat saudara Valentino Kidut menyalip saya dari belakang, membuat saya kaget. Dan saya pun terkejut.
Is there any part in the incident that you played part in that you regret, you wish you could take back?
Ya mungkin saya merasa itu ban saya ngeslip pas tikungan terakhir. Jadi ya saya tersalip oleh Valentino Kidut. Oke, terima kasih.
Alex, you've been through some tough times, injuries. How does it feel to come back and win again?
Incredible, unbelievable. Sincerely, on the start, I was so calm, and I was thinking maybe this is a bad signal, no? But I did a really good start. Then the first laps was good.
Thank you very much. Terima kasih.
All important championship positions. 5 points separate the Yamaha pair of Jorge Lorenzo and Valentino Rossi.
Dani Pedrosa's 100th podium secured him 4th place after Andrea Iannoni's early crash. Great top 10 finish overall for Danilo Petrucci. The two Suzukis of Aleix Espargaro and Maverick Vinales in 11th and 12th places respectively. Hector Barbara 15th in the overall World Championship standings, top open class rider by those 5 points clear of Loris Baz.
There's Jack Miller in his maiden MotoGP season, Nicky Hayden in his last MotoGP season, Eugene Lafferty, Mike De Meglia, Roshi Oyama, Takahashi and Tony Elias coming in at the end of the season. And Alex De Angelis, what a welcome sight seeing him as a spectator here this weekend. Well, it's a clean sweep for Yamaha. Constructors' Championship. Yamaha have won it from Honda, Ducati, Suzuki, Aprilia, Forward Yamaha and ART. 14th MotoGP Constructors' Championship for Yamaha.
Dan